Good morning, everyone. My name is Göksu Kabal. I study electrical and electronics engineering in Middle East Technical University. Today, I want to show you how to increase the price of a product at the same time increasing the demand on it. So, before I start, I want to ask you a question. Would you buy a product just because it is more expensive than the other alternatives of it on the market, or it is more expensive than its previous price?
Yes.
According to law of demand, you would not, but as we both know that you would do this. So there are two specific goods that violate this law of demand, which are Veblen and Giffen foods, and today I will talk about that. So let's start with Veblen goods. There used to be an application at App Store which is called I Am Rich, and it cost $999 American dollars. This product actually summarizes the Veblen concept real well, because the product shows that some goods are not only good for us, they are also a declaration to other people that we are rich. So some other good Veblen examples are Rolls-Royce cars, Rolex watch, or some expensive jewelries. So there are lots of poor and middle class people in the market too. So maybe addressing to these rich people, addressing to these middle class and poor people rather than these rich people may be more accurate for a supplier. So how can we sell something more expensive to these middle class and poor people? These are called gift goods. For example, bread is something really cheap, but bread can make you full really easy. So you can't interchange the bread with a meat or something else. So let me show you a simple example. Before I start my example, I want to state that different foods are something really challenging even for microeconomists. So I will just give you a little example to make you understand this concept. Let's assume that I'm an officer at the country, and there are lots of officers in that country. So our consuming patterns are something really similar actually. So I earn 40 American dollars per month, and the price of a bread is 3 American dollars. I have to buy 4 breads per week, 4 breads per month, which means each week I buy 1 bread, and I have to pay for bread $12 every month. And now I have $28 left, and I can buy 4 meats, and I can live hand to mouth. On the other hand, if the supplier of the bread increases the price of the bread to $3.25, this time I have to pay for a bread 13 American dollars. So this time I can't buy 4 meats. I can buy only 3 of them. So I'm still hungry. So I have to buy one more thing, but I can't buy a meat. So I have to buy 1 more bread. Therefore, the supplier of the bread sold me 1 more bread just by increasing the price of the bread. If you want a real example of this concept, is according to Sherman Ross, during the potato famine at the Ireland, potatoes was given goods. Even though their prices were increasing, people kept buying more potatoes during this famine. So these are my references. This is my reference, and thanks for listening and questions.